Well, boys, we did it. The first of our kind, and probably of any known species that may exist out there. They said mankind was not alone and was way behind anything else that may exist out there. Well, we have news for them, don't we? We're probably centuries ahead before some weird-ass critter gets their claws on.
Sir?
What? I'm in the middle of a speech here, Corporal, that will be remembered like the moon landing all those years ago. Now, where was I?
Yeah, but sir, I think you're gonna want to see this.
Motherfucker. It better be good, Corporal, or you're sleeping in the shitter the whole way back home.
Sir, we're not alone.
Well, who the are you guys?
We were clearly here first. Now vacate, you fleshy meatbag.
Say that to my face, you bucket of bolts.
Well, this is awkward.
Yep.